welcome to the 5-Minute Design Process Museum. I am your curator, Masaki Iwabuchi, a design futurist based in New York. This program is about design, but we shift our focus away from designed products. Instead, we explore the aesthetics hidden within the process of design. Each episode, we introduce a diagram or framework crafted by design professors and practitioners from across history and around the globe. In addition to this audio-only podcast, video and newsletter editions are available. Like a museum's audio guide, you can listen while viewing the actual diagrams. Please check the links in the description and choose the format that best fits your style. It is now May, and while the fresh greenery is starting to look beautiful, here in New York, we are still dealing with intense temperature swings. The mornings can be as cold as winter, only to feel like midsummer by the afternoon. It's a daily struggle to decide whether or not to wear a coat. With that said, let's dive into today's exhibit. Today's exhibit is a complex field of research for design, through design, and about design by Lois Frankel and Martin Racine. The theme of this diagram is a relationship between design and research. Terms like user research and competitive research are common in every industry. In the design field as well, research and design work together to elevate the quality and satisfaction of the end product. A common challenge here, especially in large corporations, is that designers and researchers are often separated, which can lead to ambiguity in ownership. Furthermore, depending on the project, sometimes it's better to research before designing, while other times, creating a prototype first, design first, is the only way to move the discussion forward. This is why it's crucial to clarify the order and relationship between the two. This complex field of research diagram organizes this into 3 core concepts. Let's look at them one by one. The first realm is research about design. This is a study of design itself. In short, it is academic research and the study of design theory. This includes design history, human behavioral psychology, or the social and economic impact of design, and so on. These activities typically take place in universities where findings are published as academic papers. While these theories may seem too academic to practitioners, they provide the foundational principles for how humans perceive and react to design, ultimately enabling us to create better products. The second realm is research for design. This refers to research conducted in order to design something. This covers various activities aimed at improving the quality of the final product, such as user interviews, material sourcing, or prototyping. This is likely the most familiar territory for designers in the field. Here, the sequence is clear. Research comes first, and the final design follows. The third realm is research through design. This is research conducted through the act of designing. While research for design focuses on the final product, research through design shifts the focus to the research findings themselves. This involves activities like hosting co-creation workshops to uncover new issues through generative dialogue, or synthesizing successes and failures from the past design projects to develop a unique methodology. The distinction lies in whether your goal is a specific product or the tacit knowledge gained through the process. The authors also classify these three areas as clinical, applied, and basic research. Clinical research is for improving a specific product or design right in front of you. Applied research is for establishing patterns, common methods, or practical wisdom with multiple cases. And basic research is for building universal theories or systematic knowledge about humanity. Most designers are likely already practicing these in some form during their daily work or by sharing insights online. However, by consciously distinguishing between these three domains, you may discover where your strengths lie or perhaps identify a realm of research you haven't yet explored. And that concludes today's exhibit, The Complex Field of Research by Lois Frankel and Martin Racine. Thank you very much for visiting the Design Process Museum today. You can download today's diagram on my Substack. Please find the link in the description. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you at our next exhibit. I am Masaki Iwabuchi, your curator.